set to announce a committee for exploring the implementation of UCC in the state. The committee is going to be announced today and it is likely to be led by retired High Court judge. After the formation of the committee, its approval will be given by the cabinet tomorrow. Now, upon receiving the committee report, the Gujarat government will bring the bill in assembly. So after Uttarakhand government, now Gujarat is all set to bring UCC in place. Remember, the Uttarakhand government has in fact implemented UCC on 26th of January on Republic Day, and of course they are also doing public awareness regarding the UCC. And now I'm also joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta for more detail. Payal, very crucial development as far as UCC is concerned. After Uttarakhand government, now Gujarat is all set to implement it.
You know, the BJP wanted to explore this model in Uttarakhand, and that has been successfully implemented by Pushkar Singh Dhami's government. And remember, all the BJP ruled states, whether it's Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, they've all made this as part of their poll promise that they would bring in uniform civil code as well. So the Gujarat government is now taking that step in that direction as well. So a committee will be formed. We are given to understand under the leadership of a retired High Court judge is what I understand. And after the committee submits its report, of course, that's going to be adopted by the Bhupendra Patel cabinet, following which the bill will be brought to the assembly as well. So, like I said, the BJP leadership here in the centre, Sharon wanted to explore all the possibilities and, rule out all the possibilities of any dissent whatsoever, whether it was cultural, whether it was legal challenges, etc. But it seems that it's been quite a smooth passage as far as Uttarakhand is concerned. So that model is going to be adopted by the other BJP ruled states. Like I said, it's Maharashtra, it's Assam, it's Gujarat and Rajasthan amongst the other states that have said that they would like to see the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code across the country.
Also, Payal, when we talk about, of course, implementing it was a smooth passage in Uttarakhand, but it is complicated when we talk about a lot of rules that are in place now. A lot of people are also, in fact, have doubts in their mind regarding UCC. So is it possible that the government could also come up with a campaign, an awareness campaign to make people understand what exactly are the points within UCC?
Well, of course, that's going to definitely be one of the initiatives that the government here in the centre and in the states will really take. But like I said, that a lot of campaigning was and a lot of views were taken into account even when Uttarakhand report came in. Remember, the draft report was, studied a couple of times, sent back to the committee and then brought back again. Finally, it's just been implemented in the Uttarakhand assembly just a few days ago as well. So that is something which, of course, they will want to know. And the reason that they experimented with Uttarakhand because they wanted to see what are the possible legal challenges, The centre at this point understands that once, a few number of states adopt it and pass it out, they don't need to bring a central law as well because it's part of the concurrent list from what I'm given to understand. So obviously, all the challenges are being, looked into. And that's the reason after the successful implementation from the Uttarakhand government, more BJP-ruled governments are likely to bring this out as well. Because like I said, it's part of the centre's promise, in the manifesto right from 2014 to now. And of course, it's also been a promise by multiple states that have gone into election and won government successfully.
Also, Payal, this is a big development, so we continue to be on this story. So, when we talk about, of course, the BJP ruled state are, of course, eventually going to implement it. What about the allies? When we talk about the TDP, the JDU, are they also willing to implement this in their own respective states?
Promises have not been made by those states, what I am given to understand. Sharon, there is a promise which has been made by Maharashtra government, where of course the Shiv Sena is also on the same line and same page as the BJP. And the Shiv Sena all along, whether they were united or whether now in a split faction, has always been in support of legislations like the Uniform Civil Code amongst the others as well. So that commitment really stays. Not every BJP ruled state has made their promises.
All right, Payal, I request you to please stay with us as I am joined by BJP leader Anila Singh on this broadcast. Anila Singh, your reaction to how the BJP is now planning to implement UCC in Gujarat also. This is of course a poll promise from your own party. So how do you react to that?
I ram ram to all, and as I always say, that Bharatiya Janata Party is the only political party in country of ours who understands and implements equality. No discrimination, no appeasement. One country, one law should be there. Why this discrimination? It was brought by the political parties who were deep into appeasement. So I really welcome Gujarat state is going ahead to implement in its state, and I really hope that whether a state is BJP governed, NDA governed or any other, I think they should implement in their respective states as well. When Constitution talks about the equality, then why this discrimination? And any of the political party, any person, any institution, that too, which have a Hindu face as a president, if they are going to oppose, then it means that they are halal Hindus and they want to talk or they want to get themselves certified by one particular religious community. So it is the high time that India should have equality, and equality will be there when each and every citizen has got same laws.
All right. I'm also joined by Vinod Bansal of the VHP. Mr. Vinod Bansal, when we talk about how the BJP's ruling states are in fact planning to implement this, what about the non-BJP rule states? So is it going to be different rule in each state? Will it not be complicated at the end of the day?
No, definitely I do agree with you that the uniform law should be uniformly applied to the entire country. And this is the initiative being taken first by the Uttarakhand government, and now the Gujarat is also going ahead, and we appeal to the state governments also to go ahead with the pious work, and it's a very important law for the national integrity also, and this will definitely abolish the discrimination among the different citizens of the state. That one law is applied to one person and another law applied to another religion. The religious discrimination of the law should always be avoided, and the law should be uniformly applied to all persons. And moreover, the Common Civil Code is very good for the women's and for the children's for their rights. The women will get the right equal to the Hindu community also. And the children which were deprived of their rights, the Dattak and the other divorce law will equally apply to all citizens of the state. And we appeal to the other states also, and we hope that all will follow the same route. And the law should be made in such a way that everybody should be having the.
All right.